If by passing every single input feature to every single node in the fully connected layers that follow is not the most efficient way forward, then what might we do to be able to reduce the complexity of the model, or at least make the processing of this image data more efficient? Well, one thing that comes to mind is that perhaps we could try reducing some of the connections here that are connecting the input to the first hidden layer. Now, actually, this sounds kind of familiar. If you recall, we covered a regularization technique called Dropout in a previous layer. Not in a previous layer, but in a previous lesson, I mean. As we learned in that previous lesson, Dropout randomly ignores or drops out the nodes and its corresponding connections from specified layers. Now, we were onto something by talking about how we could reduce the number of connections between the input and the first hidden layer. However, Dropout is doing this randomly, and we need a more methodical approach.